Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How is it going? I hope all of you must be doing great and staying happy. Before we start today's video, I request all of you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe it and click on the bell icon to get notified about the new videos.
Today we are going to discuss second part of the story Nasruddin's Aim from Unit 3 of book Marigold for Class 4 prescribed by NCERT. The main elements in this video are questions, answers and complete exercise work. Let us discuss questions answers first. First question is, what did Nasruddin boast about? Children, here the meaning of word boast is to exaggerate or praise falsely. Here the answer can be Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. Next question is, why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? And its answer can be Nasruddin took someone else's name each time he missed the target because he did not want to accept his failure in front of his friends. Next question is, why did Nasruddin said it was my aim the third time? And its answer is Nasruddin said it was my aim the third time because the arrow had hit the target accurately. Next question is, do you think that Nasruddin was good at archery? And its answer is no, Nasruddin was not good at archery. Next question is, match the words with their correct meanings. So children, here some words are given to you and you have to match them with their correct meanings. We have already discussed the story and new words in the story in our previous video. If you haven't checked it yet, you may find the link in the description box below. Here the first word is chatting and its meaning is talking informally. Next word is amazement and its meaning is great surprise. Next word is archery and its meaning is shooting with a bow and arrow. Next word is defending and its meaning is protecting from attack. Next word is target and its meaning is the goal intended to be hit. And the last word is triumphantly and its meaning is happily and proudly. Next question is, replace the bold word or words with a word from the quiver and rewrite the sentences. So children, here some sentences are given with bold words and you have to choose an apt word from the quiver in place of those words. The first sentence is, in no time she hit the object she aimed at. Here the answer can be, in no time she hit the target. So target is the correct word that we have chosen from the quiver. Next sentence is, Nasruddin was surely not a good archer. Here the answer is, Nasruddin was certainly not a good archer. Next sentence is, the teacher said something about his good handwriting. He felt very happy. And the answer is, The teacher remarked on his good handwriting. He felt very happy. Here we have replaced the words said something about with remarked on. Next exercise is, this is a picture of Rahul Gupta. Using the clues given, write a paragraph about him in your notebook. So children, you have to use the clues given in this box, and using these clues, you have to write a paragraph about Rahul Gupta. The clues are Indian, cricket, 8 hours, practices, eats healthy food, runs 2 kilometers every day, batsman. Here, the paragraph can be, Rahul Gupta is an Indian cricketer. He practices for 8 hours daily. He eats healthy food and runs 2 kilometers every day. He is a good batsman. Children, you can write a paragraph on your own using these clues. Next question is, this is Rajiv's family. They are a healthy family. See what each one does to remain healthy. So children, in this picture you can see Rajiv's family. His father, mother, Sita, grandpa, grandma and Rajiv. Now use the words and or but and make as many sentences as you can about Rajiv's family. Here, 2 examples are, Grandpa and Grandma get up early in the morning. Grandpa is walking, but Rajiv is jogging. Let us make some more sentences using and or but. His father and grandpa are healthy. Sita is skipping, but Rajiv is running. His father is exercising, but his mother is performing yoga. Rajiv and Sita take care of their health. Children, you can make some more sentences on your own using the words and or but. Next exercise is, fill in the grid with words given below. So children, here some words are given to you and you have to fill a grid with the help of these words. The grid is name of the game, what you play with, where you play it, number of players. So, the first game is cricket and we play it with a ball and bat. It is played in a stadium and it has 11 number of players in it. Similarly, hockey, played with a stick in the ground, having 16 number of players. Next game is table tennis, played with a racket on a table with 2 to 4 players in it. Last game is football. We play it with a ball in the ground with 11 number of players. Next exercise is, using the information in the grid, write a sentence about each game. One has been done for you. Cricket is an outdoor game. We play it with a bat and a ball. There are 11 players in this game. Next, hockey is an outdoor game. We play it with a stick. There are 16 players in this game. Next is table tennis. Table tennis is an indoor game. We play it on a table with a racket. There are 2 to 4 players in this game. And the last one is football. Football is an outdoor game. We play it with a football. There are 11 players in this game. Next exercise is the following words are used in various sports. List them under the sport that they are used in. And the words are googly, goal, LBW, penalty, free kick, penalty corner. So children, these are some of the words which are used in different sports. And you have to tell in which sport are they used. The name of sports are hockey, cricket and football. Free kick and penalty corner are the 2 words which are used in the game of hockey. Googly and LBW are the 2 words which are used in the game of cricket. Goal and penalty are the 2 words which are used in the game of football.
That's all for this video. If you really liked it or if you are visiting this channel for the first time, then please show some love by sharing it with your friends. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe for such new videos. Thank you.